The moment the plane will come out, then they started to sing mob justice. They started to say mob justice over and over. Yarawisa wena kwa assembly point wa swampsa. Today is your last day. Rokaula. And the accuser started to cry. Are agebatle madi at this guy. Momatsong aka. Then they took the girl. But tsena lena ka mara room. Banshia
le ba bang
ka mo kitchen.
yeah
Yes. And then abanshia ka mo kitchen le ba bang. Ba tsena ka mara room. Ha ba tsoka mara room. What they had na ile plastic ya Shoprite. Initially na ke sa itse plastic le ne le. But don't worry. It's fine. Ha re tlweleng ya mob justice, let's call the police. Then ba founela maphodisa a tsana go fitla.